If you thought the Yaris Cross was just another practical little crossover, the 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross might completely change your mind. Just look at it. The sharp front end, aggressive LED lighting, black roof, muscular stance, and sporty wheels give this compact SUV a presence that feels far more expensive than you'd expect. Welcome back to Noir Velocity. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross, a small crossover that could become one of Toyota's most interesting urban SUVs yet. Starting with the exterior, the Yaris Cross takes a much more confident approach to styling. The front fascia looks sharper, with slim lighting elements, a sculpted hood, bold lower grille, and dark exterior details that give the vehicle a sporty attitude. The contrasting black roof adds another premium touch, while the dark glass, strong shoulder line, muscular wheel arches, and large wheels make the Yaris Cross look ready for more than just a daily commute. Move around to the rear, and the design remains clean and modern. The wide stance, distinctive lighting signature, and sculpted bodywork give the Yaris Cross a recognizable appearance without making it unnecessarily complicated. It's compact, but that's actually one of its biggest advantages. You get the SUV-inspired design and driving position without the bulk of a much larger vehicle. Now let's talk about performance. There's one important thing to remember. Toyota has not yet released a complete official 2027 Yaris Cross specification sheet for every market. That means exact horsepower, acceleration figures, equipment, and pricing should not be treated as confirmed until Toyota announces them. However, if Toyota continues developing the Yaris Cross around its proven hybrid philosophy, efficiency and smooth, everyday performance will remain major priorities. Instead of chasing extreme acceleration, the Yaris Cross is designed around effortless urban driving. Electric assistance can provide immediate response when pulling away, while the hybrid system should deliver smooth power through traffic and help keep fuel consumption under control. And honestly, that character fits this vehicle perfectly. You don't need a roaring engine to enjoy a compact crossover. What matters here is easy acceleration, low running costs, quiet cruising, and a relaxed driving experience. Step inside, and the Yaris Cross starts feeling even more impressive. The cabin focuses on a modern driver-oriented layout, with digital displays, a central infotainment screen, smartphone connectivity, and conveniently positioned controls. The dark interior gives the cabin a sophisticated atmosphere, while the elevated seating position provides the visibility people expect from an SUV. The front seats are especially important for everyday driving. You get a commanding view of the road without sitting in something oversized. And because this is still a compact crossover, parking should be easier, city streets should feel less intimidating, and everyday errands become much more convenient. Technology is another major part of the package. Depending on the market and trim level, buyers can expect modern multimedia features, connected services, smartphone integration, digital displays, and a range of advanced driver assistance systems. Toyota has also continued improving its safety technology, with systems designed to assist with collision avoidance, adaptive cruise control, lane positioning, and traffic awareness. The key is that these technologies are meant to support the driver rather than constantly get in the way. And that makes sense because the Yaris Cross is not designed as a weekend toy. It's designed to be driven every day. You want comfortable seats, you want excellent visibility, you want simple controls, you want useful technology, and most importantly, you want a vehicle that doesn't make ordinary driving feel like work. Then we reach the biggest question: price. Toyota has not officially confirmed final 2027 Yaris Cross pricing for every market, so any figures circulating online should be considered estimates. But if Toyota keeps the Yaris Cross competitively priced, this could become one of its strongest selling points. Think about the package. compact dimensions, SUV styling, hybrid efficiency, modern technology, practical interior space, and Toyota's reputation for everyday usability. That combination could make the Yaris Cross extremely difficult to ignore. So, is the 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross worth watching? Absolutely. It may not be the fastest crossover in its class. It probably won't deliver the soundtrack of a performance car, and that's not what it's trying to do. The mission is different. Look good, feel modern, stay efficient, remain practical, and make everyday driving easier. If Toyota successfully combines this aggressive styling with its latest hybrid technology, improved cabin features, advanced safety systems, and competitive pricing, the 2027 Yaris Cross could become a serious contender in the compact SUV market. This is the 2027 Toyota Yaris Cross. Compact, stylish, practical, efficient, and potentially one of the smartest urban SUVs in its class. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the Yaris Cross over a Corolla Cross, Honda HR-V, or another compact SUV? Let me know your choice in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and turn on notifications, because there's always another incredible car coming next.